guys, today this is the episode 4 of the beach named Kaus. Chit, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Friends over there. And look, so big. It is called the Beacon. Look, the ocean. Whoa, so cool. My friend just, oh, okay. Now he's running. Okay, it's now picture time.
Why are you still videoing? Oh, ibon. Malapit na naman ang ibon.
It's like the lighthouse. It's called the Beacon, and the light on the top there will maybe the
Pew.
light.
Try making that on my.
Oh, the Beacon in Minecraft, yeah. Minecraft is similar to real life.
Hindi ba ito? Hindi ba yan?
What? We're gonna go inside it.
That's the beacon.
That's the Beacon, and then I'll have super power-ups. Oh, behold, the Beacon of Doom. Oh. Echo.
Echo, echo, echo.
Echo. Echo. Oh, I thought there's water in here. I don't know.
Echo, echo, echo.
Echo. The top of the Beacon. Can you hear me?
Ganyan kaya. Ganyan tayo.
The center of the Beacon. Touch it.
Echo.
Lagyan sa
Come
baba.
here, come here.
Sa baba, mas malinaw yung ibaba eh.
So cool.
Naka-timer.
Huli kaya apat.
Dito ka sa tabi ko.
Yeah, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. It's moving in the coffee. Yun na.
You can swim in here, but it's color brown.
Because it's very old.
I know. The old Beacon of
Seconds
truth
gagawin natin. 5
that can
seconds.
give.
Chichits ka na.
Gagawin natin 5
Budget.
seconds ha.
Dali, dali, dali.
3, 4, 5.
Okay. So we're gonna go up with my friend, buddy. What can I call you, buddy or friend? Alvin, what can I call you, buddy or friend? I think buddy. Oh, it's already sunset and it's near to night. And this tall beacon won't put the light of truth.
I'm gonna climb.
What?
Beacon.
So if you reach the top, you'll get the jump boost or power up thing. Parkour time. What if he fell into the holes and then he fell down on the water over there? We're afraid of that. So we will climb from here. What if we are already there? We're climbing tall. running. Let's go down. I brought my iPad here just in case. It's water. It's color brown and yellow. What you doing there?
Trying to slide.
Ah, don't slide in the water. It's dirty and old. I don't know. This looks like a baby pool.
Here, swim. This is the swimming pool.
So the beacon of truth gives the water of truth, but old.
There's our swimming pool.
Yeah, the swimming pool. Okay, climb on. They don't want to climb. You might break the camera. Whoa! So big ocean. Let me face it. Don't do parkour things now.
Parkour!
Parkour is scary. It's a bunch of rocks, and then big rocks, and then water. Houses. Sky. Clouds. The beacon of truth. Okay, so... whoop. You doing parkour? Or...
I'm doing a parkour over here.
let's see if we can do it. Let's run to him. Can't run that fast. Oh, what's this? Is this moist? I think so. I think this is a long video. Stop this. You can stop it. I can see you there. Yeah, I knew it. You'll come out in here.
Echo!
Echo! Echo! Echo! Echo! Yeah, you did an echo. Just kidding. I just did an echo on
I just photobomb them.
the bomb though. Photo bomb failed. Huh. This is fun. And this is what I do. And doing parkour stuff. And are these moist? Snow? Oil? White paint?
Wait, wait.
Okay. White paint.
Umakyat siya.
No! Oh no! Okay. Pass through this pool to the center of the beacon and outside the beacon. Parkour again. Okay, I think this is the end of this episode 4. The name of the beach. What's this? The name of the beach called Kaus. Maybe episode 5 will come.
Bye!
But why? Maybe episode 5 will be swimming, because we'll be swimming later. Okay, so see you guys soon in the next episode, which is episode 5. Bye! Say bye! Louder, Jit.
Whatever.
Okay, and you, buddy or friend, say bye. Say bye, buddy. Okay, bye-bye, buddy.